In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet by sending it to Coinbase, converting it to cash, and transferring it to your bank account. Let's get started. First, you have to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Coinbase. Open your Phantom wallet where you hold your Solana. In Coinbase, click on Receive Crypto. By default, it will show Bitcoin, so make sure to select Solana from the dropdown. Copy your Solana receive address. Go back to Phantom, select Solana and click Send. Paste the Coinbase receive address in the destination field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send and click Next. Review and confirm the transaction, then send it. Now we'll convert Solana to cash on Coinbase. Once the Solana appears in your Coinbase account, go back to My Assets. Click on the three dots next to Solana and then select Sell. Choose the amount of Solana you want to sell. For example, choose Max. Convert it to USD by reviewing the order and clicking Sell. After selling, your Solana balance will convert to USD in your Coinbase account. Coinbase may charge a small fee for the conversion. With the USD balance in your Coinbase account, click on the three dots again and select Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Choose the bank account you want to send money to, for example Chase. Preview the transaction and click Withdraw Cash Now to complete the transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.